Okay, this is a little demo of my Iberital IB7 commercial coffee espresso maker. It was manufactured, according to the tab, manufactured in November 2015. It's not seen any commercial use for about 3 years, I believe. It was serviced, it's only had very light use in the last year. It was serviced last October, I believe. I've got a paperwork for that. So let me just run you through the functions just to show you that it all works fine. So left hand steamer, that's fine. So hot water in the middle, that's fine. Right hand steamer is fine. So we'll take you through the procedure and I'll make you a cappuccino, or my effort, but cappuccino. I'm not a trained barista by any stretch, so really I'm just showing you how easy this is. I've got 3 of these porta filters. One I use for double espressos, one for singles, and the other one for cleaning. So you'll notice from where I'm standing, the machine is quite low, but we situated it like that because we didn't want to block the light from the window behind. So, but ironically, I've actually got a board in there so it doesn't screw up the photos I'm taking. So, okay, that's that ready to go. So that's espresso brewing at the moment, and we'll get a cup of milk. See, it's very simple to use, even for somebody like me. Yeah, sorry, that's the milk, totally hot now. I don't like it steamed too much, froth too much. I don't know if you can see that. So, that's good for me. Okay, cheers.